Right now.
So we're doing another one of our incessant video ramblings.
Ruger SR556. Will Fake Custom.
Will Fake Custom, WFC boy. But you better hurry, that's your 2-minute warning.
I like this gun.
I do too. Damn that boy. One more. Do that. Let me do it. Let me do it. I'll do it. Here, you watch. It's still going. Woo. Fucking ammo.
Give it a second.
We're about to have a catastrophe on camera, boy.
I hope not. Rat. Seat.
Fuck. Magazine wasn't in all the way.
That's why we do tap rack bangs, boy.
What's a tap rack bang?
Where you tap the magazine to make sure it's seated,
Oh.
then rack it so you make sure you actually have one in the chamber. That's how the gun works.
That's a mighty fine firearm, boy.